Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to install the basic requirements, like basic softwares to run the React, to run the React. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So this is my home screen. So here, create a new folder by using Control Shift plus N. See, a new folder is created. New folder is created and name it as React tutorial. So we have created a React tutorial. So here, so we have created a React tutorial folder. So open it, and click on this thing. So here, open CMD. So this is the command line info interface. So this is how we can open that folder in the terminal, CMD terminal. So this is how we can open the command line interface. And for now, you can minimize this thing. And now open a browser. And here, click React Docs. And you can see here getting started, right? So you can click on the getting started. And you can see here, you can create a new React app. Click on the create a new React app. So this is the command we can use to create a new React app. So copy this thing and open the terminal and click here npx create react npx create react hyphen react hyphen app my app. So here I'll write hyphen Altron. So this is my first application using React project. So now click on it. So it will create a new app. So it will ask need to install the following packages. So you can click on Y on your board and click enter. Then it will start creating the new projects. So based upon your internet connection, it will take up to 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes too. So let's minimize this thing. It will run in the background, and we will see what are the basic things we have to install. So now open Windows R and click on CMD. So here you have to check whether Node is installed in your system or not. So how can you check it? Node hyphen version. So you can see the version 20.13.1, the latest version. And with the like if it is not installed in the system, you can go to the Chrome browser and search Node.js, and here you can go to the Node and you can download the latest Node LTS, latest Node LTS. As I had installed the Node earlier, so that's why I'm not installing it again. So this is how you can download this file. Click on this download file and the node will be installed. And we want another software also, which is Visual Studio Code, VS Code, and click on VS Code. And you have to install this thing also, code editing, the best code, Visual Studio Code. Then click on this and see download for Windows. So based upon your operating system, you can download if your system is Mac OS, you can download this, or you can, if your operating system is Windows, you can download this. If your operating system is Linux, you can download this. So by clicking Windows, Visual Studio will be downloaded. See, the Visual Studio is downloaded. So as I was installed, I'm canceling it. So this is how we can install it. This is how we can install it. And since it's installing, and the Visual Studio, if you want to check how the Visual Studio does look like is, it will look like this. It will look like this. So it is the So this is the Visual Studio Code. I can click create new file, open folder. So you can see all these things. You can see extensions here, the group of extensions you can add to your Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. So we have installed Node and we have installed Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. So it is installed, and we have to check. We have to check whether npm is installed or not. Like how can you check npm-v? So with this node only, this npm also will be installed automatically. You should not do anything. It's not necessary to anything. So click on npm-v. So you are having 9.7.2 version. Close this thing, and what is so it is created a new project called my Ultron project. So now you have to go to the now you have to go to the cd my app hyphen Ultron, my app Ultron, sorry, my Ultron project, right? My Ultron project, Ultron project. So click on it. So you have on to here and click on npm start. npm start. So the npm start will be started, and the my Ultron project will be started. And click on allow access. So it will start the development server and local host 3000. So this is how you can create the new React project. New React project. So I hope you understand how to create a React project and what are the basic requirements. And you have to install the first thing. You have to check in the CMD whether it is installed or not, whether the node is installed or not. So if you want to run React, the node should be compulsory to install in your system. So this is how we can install React in your system. And what are the requirements? You have to install Node and you have to install Visual Studio Code. And you have to follow this procedure to create a new project and run in the localhost 3000. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only will you get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.